This is the motor that came in running down the lake. It quit, so we were doing a diagnostic on it, try to evaluate it for what was going on. Almost sounded like there's water in the gas, but his fuel sample shows good. Did a compression check. The compression was okay. Did a spark check. Good spark on all cylinders. One of the wires was a little funky, and we corrected that. And did a balance check, and it shows that it's balanced and doing okay, and it's starting and running for us. Go ahead. Okay. I thought it might be a battery voltage issue. Charging at 13